Nung nakita ko yung question ni KJ, sabi ko, teka wait, i-clarify muna natin. Ladies and gentlemen, there are hundreds of niche and services that you can offer as a virtual assistant. So if I will say na top VIP, nandun na lahat. However, pinagsama-sama ko ang lahat ng mentors na may iba't ibang experiences. Yung iba from zero to now being a virtual assistant. Yung iba naman nandito na talaga sa industry for several years. I have been working from home since 2009 at lahat ng natutunan ko from the time that I started, ibinubuhos namin sa mentorship program. So tuturo namin sa inyo paano gumawa ng profile na mapapansin ng client, paano gumamit ng mga tools, paano mag-apply sa mga platform, paano mag-manage ng time, paano mag-manage ng budget, yung mga ganong tiny little things na madalas hindi na nakikita sa mga YouTube video. To answer this question, and if halimbawa gusto nyo na mag-join sa Top VIP, kiklik nyo lang tong link sa bio ko, may lalabas dito, pipiliin nyo yung Gig Hub. Guys, sa Gig Hub, nandito na lahat ng kailangan ninyo para makapag-start na mag-work from home. I-check nyo na lang, pati free resources nandyan na din. But to join the Top VIP under live mentorship, ikiklik nyo lang tong 1999 Top VIP All Access Pass, nandyan na yung form. And yes, lahat ng classes na nandito sa baba, kasama na dyan. So the goal of this program is 1 year, 1 fee, and 1 goal. Hybrid na yung setup ng training namin. So, meron tayong mga modules, meron tayong live classes, meron tayong one-on-one for the price of 1,999 pesos. Kung i-describe ko yung Top VIP All Access Pass, it's something that I would have wanted. I wished I had back when I was starting out. Alam mo yung opportunity na sana maskip ko na yung mga mistakes na nagawa ko. So, lahat yan ituturo namin sa inyo. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow from or work from home chismis, and I'll see you at the classroom. Bye!